Welcome to Florida, I guess. I think I keep saying it, but this place is huge. It just keeps like going through all those buildings. And then like all those buildings and then like all the way like down there somewhere. Yeah, it's a huge place for sure. If you're on like the interstate, then you can see like all the buildings just combining as well. It's crazy. All right, so I'm sorry everyone, but I didn't really film it all today. It was just kind of rainy and I didn't really do all that much. I went grocery shopping. I think we drove to Chick-fil-A at one point. Not too much else. Went to the gym this morning too, so that was nice. Try not to talk too loud because I don't know if my roommate next door is asleep or not. I have no idea. So since I didn't film anything today, I want to do a quick little walk around room tour. So when you walk in, the dresser, this one does come with the room, it's right there. And then I have the TV on top of it. This is a 42-inch TV, and as you can tell, it's basically just barely fits. I think if you like ever came here and you have a 40 like 2-inch TV, probably depends on how close your legs are to the end, because like these, they're like a little bit further away and not completely on the outside, but if they were like completely on the outside, then there's no way it's gonna fit. So it really just depends. And there's like some lights behind it, gives it that little glow. There's a switch there. I have an antenna so I can watch like local TV channels, even though I only got like 5 channels, so I might have to rescan and try to get that to work better. Laundry basket, backpack, some water that I bought at the groceries, some posters over here, big flag for Cincinnati, go Bearcats. And then right here is the bed. There's like a mattress like pad thing from Amazon on it as well. This is a full XL size bed, which doesn't have a lot of options for like sheets and stuff because it's a weird size. There's like a bunch of pillows on it. Right here, Joey Votto, King's Island, there's a Squishmallow here, and then like 4 of these pillows right back here. That's me trying to edit videos that I'm already behind on, only like 3 or 4 days in. Fan, because I'm in Florida and it gets hot. Camera chargers, water bottle, tissues, lights. I got this, I still need this to get set up, this little Alexa thing. Down here are some like decorations and stuff, photos, bobbleheads, King's Island, things like that, power strip. No need to look at that, we'll worry about that tomorrow. A little whiteboard, I made this little message for everyone, so hey. Right here, a couple more posters, got Peyton Manning, Edgerrin James. I got these at the Colts game this year. A couple more outlets here. Right here is the closet, and it has a giant mirror. So yeah, hello, hi. And then here in the closet, there's some pants, shirts, sweatshirts back there, plastic bags down there, just some boxes, masks, hats, extra sheets, stuff like that. And then right here, because I feel like I was going to get like crucified if I didn't have something Disney themed in here. This is like my first pair of mouse ears from when I was like 4 years old probably. So it's just hanging on this command strip. So it's not the most attractive way to hang them, but they're chilling. If you have any other questions about the room, then let me know and I'll try to answer it. Go ahead, ask your comments below. It's pretty late. I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense anymore at this point, so I need to get to bed. So thanks everyone, and tomorrow's Wednesday. I don't know what I'm gonna do Wednesday. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take out the trash. That's what I'm doing tomorrow. All right, tomorrow is trash day. Bye.